Okay, guys, welcome back to part 3. Welcome back to, part 3 of Ratchet and Clank 1. Where do I need to go? Okay, yeah, I'm going the wrong way. Well, I think I am. Anyway, when we left off, we got the slingshot. So that's nice. And I'm recording this as my second video is uploading. So, yeah, that's cool. Ow. What? Okay. I did not expect to get that much damage. I'm also sorry that that the quality isn't that good. I keep on saying that now in all of my videos, but it's all I got right now. When I move, I'm gonna eventually get an official setup. Okay, just die, robot dogs. Okay, this should be the next part, I think. Yeah, this should be it. Where do I need to go? Oh, here it is. Okay, here we go.
Ratchet, that's the man we saw in the info box. Remember? He knows Captain Quark. Hey, you're that robot guy, right?
No, actually, I build robots. I myself am not a robot guy, per se.
Nerd. I like him.
So, now that we've cleared that up, what can I do for you?
Well, we saw your infobot announcement. You were with Captain Quark. We're trying to find Captain Quark. We thought you could help us.
Your logic is commendable. However, I haven't seen Captain Quark since we shot that commercial. Say, do you run on standard XP18 sister boards?
Version 7.66.
Back at ya. I may be able to help you out after all. How does a helipack upgrade sound?
Upgrade?
Natch. Since he's a 766, I could have the little guy up and flying in no time. Of course, I'll just need my fee for service. Okay, this won't hurt a bit.
Hey, wait.
I love this part.
Ratchet, am I cool now? Yeah, you're the man, Clank.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Thanks, Al. Okay. Now, we got the helipack. Now, let's continue on, shall we? Whoa. Yep. Yeah. Okay. Now, we got 1,000 bolts left, so... time to collect some more, shall we? Whoa. Okay. I thought I almost died. Whoa! What the heck? Hi. Oh god, I'm gonna die. Okay, never mind. Okay, yeah, but I might die. That's bad. That's bad. Ah! Darn it, I died. Great. Yeah, that's gonna happen a lot. I could feel it. Let's just continue on and not die. That's another thing I hate about this game. You only have a limited life bar. Unlike in Ratchet and Clank 2 and 3, you get to level up your nanotech, which is awesome. What am I talking about? Not just Ratchet and Clank 2 and 3, but all the later installments. I don't know if Deadlock does it. I don't own Deadlock. But I own Ratchet and Clank Future Towards the Destruction. Why don't I keep on... When I first got my PlayStation 3, it came with that game. That was the free game that it came with, which I was really happy. So, yeah. I will also try to record that as well. I don't know. But, anyway, time to lay the smack down. What? Get over here. Ah. Oh. Just die. Oh my god, die! Okay. How does it keep on doing that? There. Really? It was right there. Why didn't it blow up? Whatever. Okay, let's see. Ammo boxes, always nice. Okay, where am I going? Oh yeah, there's another thing right there. No. I always keep on clicking that. I don't know why. Okay. Oh, I remember this. Okay. Oh no, never mind. It's a golden bolt right there. I don't want to get those. Because then I'll have to get the other ones, and yeah. I'll get that on my own time. What? Oh my god, I'm gonna die again. Oh, come on. Okay, well, never mind. Now I know what's over there, so I'm just gonna get out of here and go to the other planet. I'm gonna go back to Novelist. Oh my god. Oh my god, I could have rode the robot train. No, go back. No, go back! Oh my god. Oh my god. Go back. Go back to the... Go back. God darn it. Also, I'm getting close to my limit, guys. My recording limit, so... Hey, Al. I can't believe I died again. I'm not, like I said, I'm not the best at this game, but I at least love to play it. But I love to play it. It's one of my favorite games of all time. I gotta do this over again? Bombing. Bye. Ah. Jeez, man. God dang it. Dang it. Ugh. I think I'm getting close. Okay, guys, I gotta cut. I gotta get it. Wait, hold on. I just gotta see if I can at least get on the train. That's probably why I died, because I was allowed to get on over here. Okay, guys. Off to the next part. Peace.